Hello everyone and very warm welcome from SA News Canada team. Today we are covering 629th Appearance Day Pragat Divas of Kabir Sahib Ji. This is a very auspicious and sacred day observed with deep reverence by all the devotees of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, not only in India but all across the globe and celebrated here in Calgary as well. Despite of heavy rainfall here in Calgary, it could not touch the devotion or keep the devotees away from celebrating it. The devotees are still coming for this celebration and being a part of this event. Let's get inside or know more about the preparation and the history of Pragat Divas and see how quietly the devotion is transformed into the service.
आजा बंदे शरण राम की फिर पाछे पछतावेगा भाई आजा बंदे शरण राम की फिर पाछे पछतावेगा बालू की बीत पवन का खंबा कब लग खैर मनावेगा बालू की भीत पवन का खंबा कब लग खैर मनावेगा आजम तेरे घटनेंगे रे तू राम कहने ना पावेगा आजम तेरे घटनेंगे रे तू राम कहने ना पावेगा भाई आजा बंदे शरण राम की फिर पछतावेगा काल बलि तेरे सिर पर बैठा ये बोझा पकड़ ले जावेगा काल बलि तेरे सिर पर बैठा बोझा पकड़ ले जावेगा मात पिता तेरा कुटुंब कबीला सारा खड़ा लखावेगा भाई मात पिता तेरा कुटुंब कबीला सारा खड़ा लखावेगा भाई आजा बंदे शरण राम की फिर पाछे पछतावेगा धर्मराज तेरा लेखा लेगा वहां क्या बात बनावेगा धर्मराज तेरा लेखा लेगा वहां क्या बात बनावेगा लाल खंभ से बंधा जागा बिन सतगुरु कौन छुटावेगा लाल खंभ से बंधा जागा बिन सतगुरु कौन छुटावेगा भाई आजा बंदे शरण राम की फिर पाछे पछतावेगा भाई आजा बंदे शरण राम की फिर पाछे पछतावेगा दिया लिया तेरे संग चलेगा या धरा ढक्या रह जावेगा दिया लिया तेरे संग चलेगा धरा ढक्या रह जावेगा कहे कबीर सुनो भाई साधो करनी के फल पावेगा हाँ कहे कबीर सुनो भाई साधो करनी के फल पावेगा भाई आजा बंदे शरण राम की फिर पाछे पछतावेगा भाई आजा बंदे शरण राम की फिर पाछे
Let's talk to one more devotee and find out more about the preparation and decoration they're doing. Hello,
Sat Sahib Ji.
what's your name?
My name is Diksha Dasi.
When you take the name initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj?
I have taken the initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj in 2015. It's been 10 years I have following this path.
So can you please tell us more about the seva or volunteering you are doing here and what it mean for you?
Today, we are decorating this hall on a sacred event of Kabir Sahib Ji Prakat Divas under the guidance of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. We are decorating this hall with love and devotion. As Paramatma says, Satguru Seva Bandagi, Fer Milan Ki Nahi. This reminding us to serve the true Guru is rare and precious. This is not only a seva, it is a divine blessing from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj.
Thank you. Let's go to one of the volunteer and interact and know more about the volunteering work he's doing here. Hello,
Sat Sahib ji,
what's your name?
my name is Sukhchayan Das.
Where do you come from?
I am from Edmonton.
What do you do for living?
So with the blessing of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, I am working as a power engineer in a private sector.
Can you tell us more about the volunteering work you are doing here and also the story behind it?
So we are preparing a Halwa Prashad for the holy celebration of Kabir Sahib Ji's Pragat Divas, and this is being prepared in desi ghee, and after reciting Bhoki Vani, this will be served among devotees as a blessing.
Thank you very much.
Sat Sahib ji.
Let's talk to some more devotees and get to know more about how the Bhandara and the food is prepared on this occasion. Hello,
Sat Sahib ji,
what's your name?
my name is Priyanka Dasi.
When did you take the name initiation from Sant Rampalji Maharaj?
So I took Naam initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj in 2009, 17 years ago, and since then I'm following this spiritual path.
Can you please elaborate or tell us more about the seva or volunteering you're doing here and also how significant is for you?
Okay, so right now we are doing Kariram Seva here, and we all devotees gather here to celebrate Kabir Sahib Ji Prakat Divas under the pious guidance of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, and we are organizing a grand bhandara here for everyone. So this seva is really important for her because seva is very priceless, and this seva is a blessing of our Sadguru Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, because our Sadguru says Pashu ke chaam ki jutti banja dhol nagara nar dehi kisi kaam na aave jal bujh ho ja chhara. That's why it's really important for us.
Thank you.
Sat Sahib ji.
Let's talk to one more devotee and get to know more about the dishes and the cuisines are prepared here. Hello,
Sat Sahib ji,
what's your name?
my name is Manpreet Dasi.
I can see there are several dishes are prepared here. Can you please elaborate more about the dishes and how you are doing seva here?
With the blessings of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, all the food is being prepared in pure desi ghee, including Laddu Ram, Jalebi Ram, Halwa Prashad, Puri Ram, Saag Ram, Kadi Ram, and several more dishes on this grand and auspicious event. And we are warmly invited to everyone to attend this satsang and be a part of this grand event.
Thank you.
Sat Sahib ji.
As we come close to this divine and sacred celebration of Pragat Divas, what we have noticed that the people from walk of all life get together here in peace, harmony and devotion, which shows the timeless teachings of Kabir Sahib Ji. What we have noticed in all 3 days that from youngest to the oldest, every person is talking about the true power and the divinity of Kabir Sahib Ji, which is indistinguishable, same as the Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. This is a gift to the humanity, his the boundless mercy and the superpower. With this note, we leave you here until we meet next time. Thank you.